Esmse ochte kansake esmse kin hambre esmse oste esmse endake. The Black Panthers are speaking through me, and I'm channeling Bashar, as well as the Martians from Ozark. All is well in this mega galaxy, but we need to work harder to heal the environment. This is from the Black Panthers. We need to plant native plants to the area, indigenous plants, instead of non-indigenous plants to the lands. Substructure of time. We have no way of knowing when it will end. But the economy is rubbish right now. So hold on to your pennies. Copper will make its way back. Just watch. I am better says na. I'm back and the kayo there can go. I am there since tragedies. Farms are burning up. They're being torched by the sun. And forest fires need to be a thing of the past. Palo Santo is extinct. It's endangered, on the brink of being extinct. It's actually extinct now. now. So hold on to your Palo Santo and just don't order it anymore. There needs to be no demand for it, so people stop harvesting it. It needs to be left alone. I still see it used in spiritual economies and spiritual homes, and it needs to not be used. Sorry. I am Yangananda. Our spiritualism comes from within. We can use sage, but the burning needs to end. Or we are cloaked in smoke. Our lungs are on fire. And it needs to end. This is the Martians of Ozark speaking. And the Black Panthers agree. Sean Zaku Ambayahan. And the healing begins from within, and it goes on. It goes forth into the light, and we see ourselves through. To heal those around us, just with our presence alone. And we're building a utopia, and it will be built. Fear not, for fear is dissonance. Seed of doubt, and doubt destroys everything. It leads to endings. It's a seed that leads to endings. Just leave it like that. Like a rupture in the heart, and then it rivets throughout the entire body.